Hi everyone, Chef Jon with Monogram Appliance. Today I want to talk to you about our Hearth Oven. This unique cooking appliance allows us to cook a Neapolitan style pizza in under 2 minutes. We're able to achieve that by electrically fueling it and giving it a very short preheat time of around 25 minutes. There's no recovery time in between your baked goods either, as you can't cook faster than this will keep reheating. Now, we wanted to make this very easy to use, but we have to make it beautiful as well. So you can see it's fully flush install with this brass accent that's removable if you don't want brass in your kitchen. Another benefit to the Monogram Hearth Oven is the fact that we don't need any extra ventilation or fire suppression. We have a built-in catalytic converter in there. It's going to scrub the air clean before it's returned to your kitchen environment. This is a very easy to use appliance as it comes pre-equipped with pre-programmed menu items in there. And I'm talking anything from breakfast, lunch to dinner. And if pizza's your thing, you better believe we have a lot of pizza options in there as well. If you're looking for more information, please go to monogram.com.